Hi all, so welcome to this channel, and in this video session I'll discuss the next video on DDS to DDL. So here we will be discussing the column heading part of the table. So we have a column heading keyword in the DDS, so how will we converting that to the DDL? So let's start with the demo. So let's create a DDS first with a column heading keyword defined. Let's copy this existing DDS. So just remove these validity checker keyword. So let's use column. Just take F1 here on the functions. So you'll see all those things. So this is the column heading, provides column heading for the field. Let me take F1 again. Call heading. Call. So here I can give some headings like first, let's say first text field. The same way I can give it a name field 2. So you can see the column heading has a heading first text field, and this one is like this. So let's try to compile this. So this is compiled. Let me check. Select start from DDS4. So you can see the column heading first text field and field 2. So you can see the first is on the first line, and this text on the second, and third field is on third line. So this is break into the several lines just because we define that the headings like this, so we have separated that. Now let's try to create a DDL for this. Let's copy the existing DDL source and let's change it. So it's DDL4. Let's keep the record format name this. I don't need this check keyword now. Okay. So this is going to create a DDL4 table with respect to this DDS4, as you can see. So this table, and this has a record format name and field 1 and field 2. Now this does not contain the column heading till now. So how can we provide that column heading to this table? So we have a keyword label on. So we'll be using that label on. Now you need to have the name of the table, that is here in this case DDL4, then bracket start, and then the bracket, let's see, the bracket ends, and it is terminated by the semicolon. Now in between that we need to provide the label on DDL4. So first one is field 1 is, so we'll be using the column name, and then is clause, and then within the single quotes I'll be providing the heading. So first heading is first. So the next thing, the next text must has to become onto the second line, and this has to come onto the third line. So how we can achieve this in this um, label on with label on keyword. So what I would say that this heading section consists of this section is consists of 20 characters. So every heading must or the word must separated by 20 characters. So I have first here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So here it comes 20. Now I'll start from the 21st, that is text. Now again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and from 21st I'll start with the field, and here it ends. Then separated by comma because we have another field here, field 2. So now field 2 is, so here we need this on the first line, so we'll end it here, and here the end of this label on keyword. So label on this table, and then the field 1, and like this, and like this. So this way we will be able to achieve the things whatever has been achieved through the DDS. So basically we are performing the DDS to DDL, and here we are considering the column heading thing. Now let's try to compile this. So for that purpose we will be using run SQL statement command, and it's a DDL4 DDS to DDL source file. Source member, you can see the object gets created successfully. Now let's check the things through the SQL. So this is field 1 and field 2. Let's press enter to see. So you can see this comes on the first line, this is on the second line, and this is on the third line, and this is field 2. So this is through the DDL which we have converted, and if I look at the DDS one, so we can see the same column heading. So now we saw that how we'll be modernizing the column headings as well from the DDS table to DDS file to the SQL tables. So this will be telling you how we can achieve this column heading part in DDS versus DDL in IBM AS400. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.